Hi, boys and girls. Today we are learning how to divide decimals by a whole number using a model and standard algorithm. We will be using a few of our math practices, including thinking about what makes sense, attending to precision, and modeling. Let's take a look at our scale. We'll be able to divide a decimal by a whole number using a model and the standard algorithm. Our goal will be to divide decimals by whole numbers using a model and standard algorithm. If you are a 2, you should already be able to divide decimals using the standard algorithm. If you are a 1, you should be able to divide whole numbers. Let's jump right in. Our first problem is 4 and 84 hundredths divided by 4. You can see we have modeled this number using 4 flats to represent our 4, 8 rods to represent the 8 tenths, and 4 cubes to represent our 4 hundredths. To model the problem, we can separate our blocks into 4 equal groups. We can see that each group will get a flat or a 1. We will color code this. Our first group will be yellow. The second group will be blue. Our third group will be green. And our fourth group, purple. Next, we will divide our rods. If we have 8 rods and we need to divide them into 4 groups, we can put 2 rods in each group. Let's shade our rods here. 2 yellow, 2 blue, 2 green, and 2 purple. Finally, we will divide our hundredths. We have 4 hundredths, which can be divided evenly into 4 groups by putting 1 in each group. Let's shade our hundredths here. If we take a look at our groups, we can see that each group has 1 whole, 2 tenths, and 1 hundredth. So our answer is 1 and 21 hundredths. In addition to using our modeling, we will also solve the standard algorithm. Let's set it up here. 4 hundredths divided by 4. We know that 4 can go into 4 one time. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down our 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. And 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring down our 4. And 4 goes into 4 again one time. You'll notice here that we've just placed our decimal in the exact same place that it's in our dividend. This is important because decimals like to dance together. Let's get some more practice. We will use the standard algorithm to solve our problem here. 3 and 44 hundredths divided by 8. Let's go ahead and place our decimal first. We can see that 8 does not go into 3, so we'll put a 0 here. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 8 goes into 34 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. And 32 from 34 is 2. We'll bring down our 4. And 8 goes into 24 3 times. So we see that our answer is 43 hundredths. Let's set up our second problem. 1 and 26 hundredths divided by 3. Again, 3 cannot go into 1, so we will put our 0 here. 0 from 1 is 1. Bring down our 2 here. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. We'll bring down our 6, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. So our answer is 42 hundredths. The next problem, 2 and 5/10 divided by 5, we will solve here. Again, we'll place our decimal first, and 5 cannot go into 2, so we'll subtract 0 from 2, bring down our 5, and 5 goes into 25 5 times, giving us our answer of 5/10. Our last problem, 3 and 8/10 divided by 2, we'll solve here by placing our decimal first. 2 goes into 3 1 time, and 2 from 3 is 1. We'll bring down our 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9, giving us our answer of 1 and 9/10. Let's keep practicing. Please pause the video now and solve these problems. Take a look at the answers here. If you did not get the same answer, check your computation. Let's take a look at the scale to see where we are. If your practice problems were correct and you can provide written proof, you are a 3. If your practice problem was wrong and you know why and need more practice, you are a 2. And if you are a 1, your practice problem was wrong and you don't understand why. Please be sure to write down your questions and bring them to class. Thank you for watching.